Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to English subject. Today we are going to see a new poem and your last poem, poem number 10, Trees. This is your last poem, children. With this, I have completed all the portion of English subject. So you have to practice all these portion for your essay 2 exams. Okay. Shall we move on to the poem? Okay. Poem number 10, Trees. Neem, peepal, banyan, coconut, mango, banana, tamarind, gulmohar, eucalyptus, ashoka. Trees short, trees tall, trees large, trees small. Trees are home for birds and bees. Trees dance and sway in the breeze. Trees lush, trees bare. Trees cool and clean the air. Plant trees everywhere, for trees are precious, friends rare. This poem is taken from Karadi Rhymes. Let us see the meanings of new words. Lush, growing thickly and strongly. Sway, move from side to side. Precious, very valuable. Shall we go for the explanation? Okay. In the first stanza, the poet is explaining about varieties of trees such as neem tree, peepal tree, banyan tree, coconut tree, mango tree, banana tree, tamarind tree, gulmohar tree, eucalyptus tree and ashoka tree. See children, the poet is explaining here these are different kinds of trees and these all are different from one another and they will give different things. So these all are very important for us because some trees will give food, some trees will give flowers, wood, medicines. They give us shade and shelter for animals. So they are very useful to us. Next, trees short, trees tall, trees large, trees small. Trees are home for birds and bees. Trees dance and sway in the breeze. See children, in the second stanza, the poet is describing the features of trees. Means some trees are very short, some trees are very tall and some are large and some are small. They are different from one another. Okay. And trees providing shelter and food for birds and bees. And trees also dance in the breeze. Means when wind will blow, no, then they will move from side to side, no. That is the dance of the trees. In the breeze, they will dance. They will move from side to side. Next, trees lush, trees bare. Trees cool and clean the air. Plant trees everywhere, for trees are precious, friends rare. See children, in the third stanza, the poet is explaining that some trees will grow very thickly and strongly. Some trees look like bare, means leafless tree. A tree or a branch has no leaves on it. Okay. That we will say bare. And trees cool the surrounding air and trees clean the air. How does tree clean the air, children? Same. Trees provide oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide. Trees remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. By this activity, trees clean the air. And we should plant trees everywhere, because plants or trees play a very important role in our life. They fulfill our food, fodder, fuel, timber, fiber and medicinal needs. So, we should plant trees everywhere. And trees are the most valuable and important means of life on earth. They are very precious and we are also responsible to do our best to save trees. See children, trees are important for human life. Without tree, we cannot live on earth. We will die if there is no trees. Because trees providing oxygen for us to breathe and also providing food to survive our life. So, please save trees, save earth and save life. Okay. This is all about trees. I hope you understood about trees. Shall we sing this poem, children? Okay. Let us sing this poem. Repeat after me, children. Neem, peepal, banyan, coconut, mango, banana, tamarind, gulmohar, eucalyptus, ashoka. Trees short, trees tall, trees large, trees small. Trees are home for birds and bees. Trees dance and sway in the breeze. Trees lush, trees bare, trees cool and clean the air. Plant trees everywhere, for trees are precious, friends rare. So practice this poem with tune. Thank you, children.